Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to create custom URL for YouTube channel. Okay guys? Okay, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, the first things you can do is go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay, here, this is my YouTube Studio dashboard. To create a custom URL for your YouTube channel, you'll have to do is, okay, go to left side and you can see here the customization icon, and you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, here, okay, you can see on the top the option, okay, the layout, branding, and the basic info. You'll have to do is select the basic info. Here is the basic info of my YouTube channel. Okay, and okay, here you can see the set a custom URL for YouTube channel. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and below you can see this custom URL. Give fun and easy to remember web address for your channel. Okay, here the custom URL suggested by the YouTube. Okay, this is my channel name. You can change this by selecting the second one by tap the circle button here. Okay, you can change this by add a letter or number. Okay, you can tap this, and okay, you can add letter or number. For my example, I add number. I add 23. And you are satisfied to this custom URL for your YouTube channel, okay, you'll have to do is tap the publish button to set this custom URL as a link to your YouTube channel. So, but I select YouTube channel name. So, my channel name is Richard Cabile Vlog. So, you'll have to do is select the first one button, circle on option. Okay, so this is my channel name is set into custom URL for YouTube channel. Okay, so after that, tap the publish button. And okay, the pop-up are show, okay, custom URL. Once a custom URL is set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. So your custom URL is ready to be set to. Here you can see the custom URL you set. Okay, so after that, tap the confirm button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the custom URL for this YouTube channel. Okay, and you can copy the URL by tap the copy icon on the right side and share to your friend and family. Okay, and that's it. Okay guys, we have successfully create custom URL for YouTube channel. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.